So today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter blossoms cookie. And they look like this. They're small, adorable, cute, and delicious peanut butter cookie topped with some Hershey's Kisses chocolate and baked to perfection. It's a good addition to your cookie platter, or just for if you have any craving for your cookie, for everyday cookie. It's very easy, very simple, and I hope you guys will stay until the end and watch the video. For now, let me show you how I made this. Let's get started. Okay, so I had this chilled for 15 minutes. So this is easier to handle now. So what we're going to do is we're just going to scoop a small portion. I'm using the tablespoon as a measurement. You can I like it fairly like medium size, not too big, but you can have it bigger, or at least not smaller than the kisses. Okay, so it's about this size. So you're going to do that. Uh, we're going to finish doing that, and then we can roll half of it in sugar, and we can have the rest plain. So okay, so this is now our cookie, the first initial baking. I've had it baked for at 350 for 9 minutes. So the next step for us to do, it's still hot, so you have to be very careful with the pan, is to push the chocolate kisses on top. So the cookie is going to crack. That's okay. That's part of the charm of this cookie. Okay. Okay, so let's put this back into the oven for another minute, and then we'll have it cool down, and then we'll try one. Okay, so after 1 minute, so basically the goal of the 1 minute is just to slightly melt the chocolate to give that nice glossy texture. There you go. But we cannot try it yet because it's really soft. So we're going to let this cool down, and when we come back, we're going to try one. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so this is ready for us to try. So let's give this a try. So I'm gonna get this one. I have another one. Okay, so there you go, guys. I hope that you'll give this a try, and until next time, bye.